Lens means lens, no kaladalu. Hence they have become kings. Next, Vishnumurti took the avatar of Vamana and snubbed the world in 3 feet. 1, 2, 3. But next, scam avatar requires only 1 feet. Next, Amma, fudging, embezzlement, evasion through technology. 1 feet is sufficient to take care of the entire world. प्यार करना है तो पाप करना है तो डरना नहीं. That's how things are moving, unfortunately, here. Those who make scam have their name and fame. Finally, they enjoy boom. Always they are safe at their home. Friends, what they do is, next ABC, they avoid, they bypass, they confuse. Friends, Hyderabad to Chennai, any kilometer lama? Hyderabad to Chennai. Chennai to Hyderabad? Same. Monday to Saturday, how many days? Saturday to Monday? No. Okay, anyhow, let's go. Avoid. Next. Fresh fish sold here. The neighbor of the solo age English professor, do you require board for selling? Do you sell stale fish? Only fresh. Then why the word fresh? Do you give them free? No, only sell. Then remove the word sold. Do you sell in other place? Only here. Then why the word here? By Baba, we are getting very bad smell from our fish. No board is required. Finally, unfortunately, no board, no business, no accounts. That's best way. But next, we create accounting. Accounting normally creates share. Accounting should happen on its own, but we create accounts, account receivable and account receivables. Next, creative accounting. This is the best name for fudging or anything, manipulation, what we do, fraud is correctly labeled as creative accounting. It is innovative, aggressive. Next one. They hide a bad year, they project a good year, they hide the large profits, make year good, boost assets to avoid takeover. Next one. They do anything. How? Normally in you have heard oil bath or all those things in our life, but here it is called big bath. Means they will write off entire thing in one stroke. That's all. Gaib or vanishing. That's how it happens in accountancy. Next, maths or matching. My client, unfortunately, by instead of printing 10 rupees note, he has printed 12 rupees note. He has taken that and given to for a pandaba for a change. This man got two notes of 6 rupees each. That's how manipulations take place here. Next, artificial decrease, artificial increase, not reporting errors, keeping silent on the errors. Many things happen without our knowledge, in brackets, without our knowledge also. Being auditor. Next, expenditure will always take the income aspect. Expenditure will be always more. Next, why? Why should I do all this earning management? To satisfy my results, to reach market expectations, personal relation bonus, maintenance of good position. I always want to have number 1 in the country. And next, British Airways takes 99 years to write off its runway. 99 years virtually, zero expenditure which booked to the accounts. Debtors are more than sales in many cases, my dear friends. I know we have not taken opening balance, don't question me. Debtors are more than the sales. Next, work in progress, sometimes not capitalized, sometimes over capitalized. Everything is manipulation. Next, this is the best book for all of us. Don't go by Shukla or Graval or anything. Accountants cookbook. Next, we go for window dressing. Colorful, paint green, paint red, bad situation, paint invisible also is there. We'll just see how they go. Next. In window dressing, they tinker all items. They tinker all. Revenue, nil. Expenditure, full. Finally, null. This is how things take place in finances. Unfortunately, go to next slide. AS 11 is wrongly interpreted by Reliance Com, Ashok Leland, SR, and BHL Gale did not report properly the 6th pay recommendations. 6th pay, there is financial commitment on the part of companies. They did not record rightly. Simple words. Bail, the great bail of Mera Bharat Ka Mahan. Next. This is the companies known to you, private as well as public companies, which have done faults either by way of wrong reporting, excess reporting, no reporting, online reporting, download reporting, whatever is the bad. This is the paper cutting. This is the mark. This is a common newspaper. Next, Wipro. They transfer the land to stock. See the funniest thing. You are taught very carefully by all our lecturers, treat land separately, stock separately, but that's all not implemented here. They have transferred land to stock account, stock to land account, Bombay Dyeing, L&T, Apollo, Asian, ONGC, again government, Mera Bharat Mahan, Tata, Hindustan Zinc, again government company, Sachem Computers. Actually, where is your Sachem, Ramaningarazu? This man, with his folded hands, unfolded a Sachem. You see his pose on that day. Next, friends, paint red. Here, paint red means negative thing. They have made a cinema called Kapali. Accidentally made 22,000 crores profit. Next movie, I Will Be Hero. The name of the movie is Nepali. Whatever they lost will be, whatever they gained will be lost in this next cinema. They do nothing, but it's how they manipulate the things. Next, paint invisible. Gharana Donga, Musgulo Musalaya. Here, many things place. Many shareholders will go to market meeting only for brunch or lunch or some gift, but they don't see the notes forming part of the balance sheet. That's most important. Most of the information, unpleasant in nature, will be kept in the stock in notes, which nobody reads except the proofreader. Now he is also not doing like that. Next, friends, for them, any time is ATM, any time manipulation, not money trial. Pushkar costed us 2,200 crores. Sindhu costed us, Sindhu, our star, more than 50 crores. But the cost of ATM, the cost of money involved in manipulations is, I can't pronounce it, you have to excuse me, 20.23 trillions. Just imagine, this is bigger than our union budget. Unfortunately, next, we have consultants for making a loophole, for creating a loophole, for advising a loophole. Next, can't we prevent fraud? We can prevent fraud. We can prevent fraud. This is the Manish Lamba has made this TPGM. Transparency, common sense, all these are qualities. That is the only problem. Otherwise, it can be implemented. Check rules, defend policies, reference, check, verification, and that's all. Next is PwC. PwC has given a good program, important fraud prevention detection tools. Again, all of them are only qualitative in nature. It is not like catching somebody because you want to catch him, you will leave him immediately. Next. This is again key components in effective anti-fraud program. Every company should have a program of its own. But friends, the last one is Babu, ikkada sir. అయిపోయింది. Regulator, reliable internal controls, ethics, enactments, governance, leadership, attitude change, training in technology, risk identification. What is the you means? You, my dear, all of you are my dear children. You are tomorrow. Please take care. Listen to all the classes. Listen to professional bodies. Take correct decision. Don't be greedy. Much it can be dependent only on you. Oh, I just now got a message. Somebody has hacked my account. I lost good money. Thank you.
To the fraud and made the audience alert and alive by providing sufficient knowledge in the subject, and now they know how the companies cook and make the accounting colorful. Thank you very much, sir.
They would not make any wrong